Natural health present. How to make rough face skin soft and smooth. Every girl dreams of having a baby soft skin. But, thanks to changing weather and hectic lifestyle, this dream is rarely fulfilled. Rough skin texture makes you look aged and implies poor skin care. To treat your skin and make it super soft and smooth again, Before watching the video, don't forget to clicking subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon for notify whenever we published a new video in our channel. How to make rough face skin soft and smooth. Number 1. Water. As we all know, water is no less than an elixir for your skin. But, are you drinking enough water? Water can remove toxins from your body and hydrate your skin from within. So, make sure you drink plenty of water every single day to achieve a soft. Number 2. Ice. Ice is available in our kitchen and it can change your skin forever. Ice can smoothen your skin and control breakouts too. Thus, it helps you keep your skin soft and smooth forever. Just take an ice cube and rub it on. Number 3. Grapeseed oil. Did you know grapeseed oil is rich in many nutrients and can work wonders for your skin? This oil tightens the skin and adds a soft glow to your complexion. Just apply it every night before going to bed to soften your skin. Number 4. Vitamin E. We all are aware of these cute green capsules. They are easily available everywhere and can soften and smoothen your skin perfectly. Just take a capsule, pop it and apply the oil on your face as an overnight treatment for best results. Number 5. Rosehip oil. This anti-aging oil is rich in fatty acids, vitamin E and vitamin O. It penetrates deeply into your skin and shields your skin against aging. This oil lightens acne scars and marks, thus making your skin really soft and smooth in the long. Number 6. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is actually very similar to the oil produced by the skin, and this is the reason why this oil gets readily absorbed into your skin. The oil lubricates your skin and makes it soft, smooth and glowing at the same time. Number 7. Cala GL oil. This oil is widely used in the Middle East and Southeast Asia for its rich phytochemical properties. The antioxidants and unsaturated acids present in the oil make the skin soft and smooth, just like your baby. Number 8. Baking soda. Baking soda acts as an excellent exfoliator and is known to remove the dead cells from your face. It removes impurities and dirt from your pores and purifies them. Thus, you will be blessed with soft and smooth skin if you continue using baking soda mask once a week. Number 9. Aspirin. Aspirin contains acetylsalicylic acid, which is known to control the pores. So, try to make a paste of aspirin tablets and honey and use it on your skin 2 times a week.